In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore contacts in Gmail. This process is quick, taking about 5 minutes, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So if you've accidentally deleted a contact and need to recover it, or just want to tidy up your contact list, you're in the right place. First, let's get started by opening your Gmail account. Once you're signed in, locate the grid icon in the upper right hand corner of your screen. This icon gives you access to Google's suite of applications. Click on it and a menu will drop down, revealing assorted Google services. Among these options, find and click on Contacts. Clicking on Contacts will redirect you to the main page for Google Contacts. Now that you're on the Google Contacts page, take a look at the left side navigation panel. Here you'll find several options. What we're interested in is the bin option, so go ahead and click on bin. The bin is a special section where Google temporarily stores all deleted contacts for up to 30 days. This ensures that if you mistakenly delete a contact, you can still recover it within this time frame. Once you're in the bin, you'll see a list of all the contacts you've deleted in the past 30 days. Scroll through this list to find the contact you wish to restore. If you have a long list, you might want to use the search feature to quickly locate the contact you're looking for. After you've found the contact you wish to restore, hover your mouse over the contact's name. When you do this, a small menu option should appear. Among the options will be Recover. Click on Recover, and just like that, the contact will be restored to your main contacts list. Be assured that after this step, the contact is fully restored and will appear in your regular list of contacts just like before. It's as simple as that. With these steps, lost or mistakenly deleted contacts in Gmail are no longer an issue. Remember, this process only works for contacts deleted within the last 30 days. After that, they're permanently deleted, so it's best to recover them as soon as you realize they're missing. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions about managing your Gmail contacts or any other Google services, feel free to explore more of our content for additional tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy contacting.